Welcome to my new tutorial. In this short video I will create a textured text with a brick wall image. Let's do this. I will use this brick wall image to texture the text. You can also use your own image. So open the edit mode, unlock this layer with this small lock icon, hit OK. Click on this icon here and add an empty layer. Move this layer into the bottom. Disable this layer for rendering. Disable the visibility. And on this layer add a text. Select the text here and place it somewhere here. And write this brick wall. I place it into the center, enable this layer 0, and on this layer, select this layer, and by right clicking on this layer, select the apply clipping mask. And now you can see that our text is nicely textured with our brick wall. I'm able to align this brick wall texture also on our text. Select here the selector, select the corner here, and as you see the texture is nicely changing on our text. Now I will create a copy of this layer and apply here also. So now we have a very nice textured brick wall text. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next time. Bye.